Hello, thank you for stopping by my channel. In this video, I'll show you a simple step how to run a Kendall coefficient of concordance. This is a statistics you run when you have ranking of variables and the markers, that is individuals that must have rank it. So for this particular hypothetical data, this is coping strategies adopted by individuals against some challenges they are facing. So they responded to the various statements of the coping strategy, and based on that statement, they were asked to rank their response. So the variables are expected to be collected in rank, maybe from 0 to 10, or maybe on a Likert scale, but it should be in ordinal scale. So I have 13 coping strategies here. This is SPSS platform, so I've already copied the data and we're currently in data view. So we go to variable view. Because this is just two categories I have, so it is set at nominal, and these are the labels for the variables. So to analyze and get the Kendall coefficient of concordance, you come to analyze, and you know Kendall coefficient is a non-parametric test. Say that you use from related sample, you have objective, field, and settings. So you come to field, you select all the items, move to the test field, come to setting, customize manually, and pick Kendall concordance or pairwise. Then you run. Now Kendall concordance can only perform 2 or more continuous field. Less than 2 continuous field have been selected for testing. So this is nominal, so this will not work in this case, but I will attempt it in the other approach, which will work. So I come here from legacy dialogues, come down to K sample. I do the same thing. I move it here, move it to text variables, and I will want to see the statistics. I want to see the descriptive statistics. Continue. I want to see it's currently in default Friedman, but I want to see the Kendall coefficient and the statistics and the rankings. Okay. So what we have here now is first of the descriptive statistics of the variable. I have 300 entries. These are the statements of each of the coping strategy adopted. You scroll down. This is now the rank. It has ranked the response. The ranking is based on the weight and also the marker. You know, while some marker will say we give 2, other markers may give 1. So the statistic has the ability to rank intercorrelated variables. So this is the rank. So we see this is the rank from 7.46 down. This is the rank. Then this is the Kendall coefficient. This is the chi-square, and this is significant at 1%. So that's how you run Kendall coefficients of concordance in SPSS. That's the simple step. Please, to support us, encourage us to do more of these videos. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if there's a particular video or particular analysis of interest you want us to do, kindly let us know in the comment section and we will